This 2025 CrossRoads Cruiser Aire CR32BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Hewitt, Texas, 76643 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Waco. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new CrossRoads is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features a breezy beige interior, sleeps 9, Slideout, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.